Look up. Good morning to all my Scoop fans and YouTube fans. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for sharing my video. So guys, if you like what I'm doing, comment yes, keep going on my video. So guys, thank you again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. And remember, you are watching this, and my message to you, remember that you are very important. Love yourself. Always love yourself. Do good, and good will always come your way. So no matter what you're doing, guys, have confidence. Love yourself. Keep doing it. Keep do good, and good will always come your way. So thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and remember, I always appreciate you guys I always appreciate you guys for watching, liking, and sharing my video. So comment yes on all my video if you like what you see, guys. And remember, you never know what you might see. So enjoy and listen to the sweet, sweet sounding sounds of birds. Love always, everyone. Thank you.